What's up guys, it's Saba with SOS Kitchen, and today I'm showing you how to make homemade salsa with some baked tortilla chips on the side. This recipe is very simple and it turns out so much better than the stuff you buy at the store. As always, the recipe and ingredients can be found in the description box below. To start out, I'm just going to roughly chop some veggies. I love throwing some green onions into my salsa along with half of a regular one. I'm also chopping up some tomatoes. Try to make sure you get the nice ripe ones because the salsa will turn out much better if they are. I also have some garlic, but you don't need to do anything to that. In a small pot, add all of your veggies along with some water, salt, and oregano. I'm also adding in some dried chilies that were given to me, but if you don't have those, then just add in a jalapeno or two depending on your spice preference. Stir everything up and then let it simmer with the lid on for about an hour. After that, let the vegetables cool down to room temperature. Once everything is cool, add in some cilantro and lime. Blend everything up until smooth and taste to see if you need more salt or more lime. Leave it in the refrigerator to chill, and then you can save it in there for up to a week. I also decided to include my baked tortilla chip recipe in this video. It's not really a recipe, but they're so easy to make and people are always surprised by how good they are. Take a few flour tortillas and cut them up into wedges. Drizzle a bit of olive oil on top. For this amount, I use about half a tablespoon. Sprinkle with salt and oregano, and use your hands to make sure all the chips are evenly coated. Arrange them in a single layer and bake them at 375 for 12 to 15 minutes, tossing them around once to make sure they're browning evenly. Once the chips are out of the oven, enjoy them with your freshly made salsa. I only recently learned how easy it is to make salsa, and I'm never going back to the jarred variety ever again. Once you try this salsa, I think you'll be converted too. Anyways, thanks for cooking with me again, and please subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen. See you next week. Bye.